You can draw those cute avocado and egg using only one shape. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do this step by step using only one brush. For this tutorial, I'm using canvas size 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab the color palette and my giveaway brush for free. I will include the link in the description below. For sketching, I will use this brown color and my sleek ink brush. I'll set the size to 6 and I will start sketching. I'll draw this oval shape and I will draw two cute ears on the top of this shape just to give it a cat look, and I will draw a heart inside this shape. I will show you later why I did this. Now I will use a selection tool to select my shape and I will tap on copy paste to copy it. I'll use the selection tool to place the shape on the right place and then I'll flip it. Now I will go to the selection tool, tap on it, and I will draw two cute eyes for the first one, and I will do the same for the second shape. Now I'll draw a cute mustache to make the shape looks like a cat. Here I will draw a similar line inside this shape to give it depth. It's the avocado one. I will keep drawing the same line inside it, just like this. I'll change the mouth here just to make the two shapes look different, and I will add a cute plant. And now my drawing is ready for coloring. For this step, I will create a new layer underneath the sketch layer and I will choose the green color. I'll keep using my sleek ink brush for this step. As I told you before, I will use only one shape for this drawing. Now I'm creating a closed line and drag and drop the color inside the avocado. Here I will use the white color to color the egg, and I will use the same technique to color it by drawing a closed line. Then I'll drag and drop the color inside it to just quick coloring it. And I'm still coloring on the same layer. Here I will create a new layer above the base color layer. I'll choose the lighter green and I will color this area of the avocado, the inside shape of it, and I will use the same technique by drawing a closed line. Then I'll drag drop the color. Here I will color the egg yolk by using the yellow color, just like this, and finally I will use the lighter tone of yellow to color this heart inside the avocado. I'll choose the green color again to color the plant here, just like this. And now we are ready to move to the next step, which is shading. For this step, I'll create a new layer above all those layers, turning on clipping mask and set it to multiply mode. I'm still using my sleek ink brush and I'll start adding shadows to those cute characters. I'll pick up the same color for every single item of my drawing. For example, here I picked up the same green color to add shadows for this area, and as you see I just tap on the color to choose it and to use it for adding colors. Now I'll choose the yellow color to add some shadows here inside the avocado, and as you see I'm using the editing tool to adjust the shape. I'll do the same as well for the egg, and now I will add some shadows here inside it, and I will use the editing tool to adjust the line. And here I will use the same technique to add shadows for the egg white. Once I'm done, I change the brush size to 3, and I will start adding those cute lines just like this. This step is optional, but I would prefer always to add those cute lines. Finally, I'll choose the red color to add a cute cheeks to those characters, just like this. You can increase or lower the brush opacity, it's optional, but here I just increase it to make the color look stronger. And now I will choose the selection tool to change the size of those circles, just like this. And I will place them here under the eyes. I'll do the same as well for the other one, just like this. And now I will lower the layer opacity to make the shadows look natural. For lightning, I will create a new layer above all those layers, set it to screen mode. I'm still using my sleeking brush to add lights, and I will use the same technique as I did before for adding shadows. I'll pick up the same colors to add those lights here, just like this. In this step, I always try to consider the light source. Here I suppose that the lights comes from the right side, so I added the lights to the right side while I added the shadows to the left side. And as you see, I'm just creating those cute lines for my characters. And after I finish, I lower the layer opacity just to make the lights look natural. And here's my drawing is ready for the final adjustments. For this step, I'll create a new layer. I'll choose here the white color, and I'm still using my sleeking brush to add those cute dots to the eyes to make them look brighter. I'll do the same as well to the avocado. And now I'll choose the brown color I used before to draw the sketch, just to add those cute lines, and this is optional. And here is my drawing is ready. If you like it or draw it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version. See you in the next video. Bye bye.